This is the, continuation of our series of lessons on what binary operation, that is solve final exam questions on binary operation in further mathematics or elective mathematics. This is what binary solved final exam questions on binary operation in elective mathematics or further mathematics. This is a theory question so far. You have to solve many questions, 101 questions, as many as possible. So guys, so let us look at this question quickly without wasting time. So it's a theory question as well. Section A, 48 marks. Answer all the questions in this section of questions carry equal marks. This is question number 1. It says that a binary operation star is defined on the set of R of real numbers by what m star n is equal to mn minus 1 over 2 m m star n is equal to m plus n minus 1 over 2 mn, where m and n belong to the set of what real numbers. So this is what we are giving this. Okay, you know, write the question again because you don't have much space. So this is what you are giving. So when your booklet, answer booklet, you have to write write the question down. Okay, say A, evaluate 1 plus square root of 3 star 1 minus square root of what? 3. B, find I, the identity element under the operation triangle. I, the inverse of negative what? Y, inverse of negative 1. This is interesting, guys. Okay? Oh, yes. So let us come up here. In fact, you need more space. So given this is what we are giving, let us write a question. You have m star n is equal to what? M plus what? M plus n minus what? Minus 1 over 2 m what? Mn, where m, comma, n belong to the set of real numbers. We are asked to find what? We have to find 1 plus square root of what? 3, bracket star, 1 minus what? Square root of what? 3. This is what we have to find. So this is equal to, from this definition, this is equal to 1 plus square root of 3. This is m, then plus n. 1 minus what? Square root of what? 3. Okay, is what you have. And then minus what? 1 over 2, then times what? 1 plus square root of 3, and then 1 minus what? 1 minus square root of 3. Okay, yes, guys, what you have. So yes, this is equal to what? So this is just, we are addition, so we just remove the bracket and add. So you get 1 plus square root of what? 3, then plus 1 minus square root of what? 3. Okay, yes. So guys, you remember this. Okay, so let me write this is minus 1 over 2 into bracket 1 plus square root of 3 to bracket 1 minus square root of what? 3. This is the difference of 2 squares. Okay, this is difference of 2 squares. So you need not worry yourself. The answer you get 1 minus 3. Will give you the answer. Okay, yeah. So this is equal to what is this? This is this and this will go to 0. Square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is 0. 1 plus 1 you get 2. So you get 2. Then minus what? 1 over 2. So as I've said, this one, if you expand, this is 1 times 1, you get 1. 1 times negative square root of 3, negative square root of 3. Then we have plus positive square root of 3. So it will go to 0. And then negative square root of 9, you get negative 3. So this one, the answer you get 1 minus what? You get difference of 2 squares. Okay? So it's the same as if you have the difference of 2 squares, the same as 1 square minus square root of what? 3. Square root of 3 or squared. Okay? So which is equal to 2 minus 1 over 2 into bracket 1 square is 1. And then this square root of 3 all square the same as square root of 3 times square root of 3. You get what? Square root of 9. You get what? This, you get 3. So this is what you get. This one will cancel the square. Okay? So you get 2 minus what? 1 over 2 into bracket 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Okay? So negative 2 times this one will cancel. You get this is equal to 2 minus. So this cancel minus what? Minus into bracket what? Minus 1. So mind you, this is minus and this is into bracket minus. Okay? So this is the same as negative 1 times negative 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. As your answer, guys. This is interesting and enjoyable. Yes. So yes, you say that you want to find the identity element. Bi, you say you find what? The identity element. So we say let what? Let E be equal to what? The identity element. Let me come up here. Sorry, guys. Let me come up. Because you don't have my space. Okay. Yes, you don't have my space. So Bi. Let me come here. Bi. So we let E be equal to what? The identity element. The identity. Identity element. So yes, if E is the identity element, then we know that then you know that what M star E is the same as what E star what E star M. What do we get? Identity element combined with any element, we get that element, so we get M. Okay? Yes. So this implies you have what? M star E, which is equal to what? M plus what? E minus 1 over 2 M what? ME. Okay? Which is equal to what? This is equal to M. Yes, equal to M. So we have to find identity element. So we have to make identity element the subject. Have you seen? Yes. So this implies what do we this implies we have this is E minus what? 1 over 2 ME. It's equal to this, is equal to this M. I mean this M, then we bring this M. So when the cross will become minus, so minus M, okay? So this implies that it implies that E minus 1 over 2 M E is equal to what? M minus M is equal to 0. Have you seen? So if you like, can multiply 2 by 2. Multiply 2 by 2 so that this one is the same as this implies that E this is the same as ME over 2. ME over 2. 1 over 2 ME the same as ME over 2. This is equal to 0. So multiply 2 by what? Multiply 2, can write multiply 2 by 2. So you get what? This implies that I get 2 times E, 2E. Then 2 will cancel the minus what? ME is equal to what? 2 times or 0 times you get 0. Okay? So we are making E the subject. So what do we do? Factorize E is common. So E out. We have 2 minus what? 2 minus what? M. Okay? So this is equal to 0. Okay? So this implies that E is equal to 0 over 2 minus what? M. Which is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Okay? Yes. So it means that the identity element E is equal to what? It implies the identity element E is equal to 0. The identity element is 0. So it says that what? Find the inverse of what? Negative 1 under the operation star. Before you can find the inverse of negative 1, you have to find the inverse element of a general element. So you can say that let what? You can say let M inverse equals to the what? Inverse of what? M. So you know that then it implies that if I combine the M with what? With its inverse, M inverse, sorry, M star, M star, M inverse. It is the same as what? If you like, I can bring the M inverse first. Doesn't matter. Star M. Well, you have to get the identity element E, which is equal to 0 in this case. Have you seen? So this implies that from the definition you have what? M implies that M star out. M inverse is equal to what? Is equal to M plus what? M inverse. Sorry, let me write it well, guys. Interesting. M plus what? M inverse minus 1 over 2 M star out. M inverse. Okay. Normally this one, if you are doing this will go to this will be 1, but don't bring that one here. This one have to continue, which is equal to the identity element, equal to E, which is equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, so that is what we have. You have to find what the inverse. You make the inverse the subject. So this one will go. So you have what this implies that M inverse minus what? Minus 1 over 2 M inverse is equal to 0 minus what? M. We send this one M there, which is equal to negative what? This negative 1. This is what we get. So this implies we have to find what? We are going to find M. We have to find what? M inverse. Make M inverse the subject. Have you seen? So this implies that. Implies that. You can factorize what? This is right. This implies that. This means that M inverse minus M inverse all over 2. This is what it means. Have you seen? This is what it means. So if you yes, this is what it means. It's equal to what? Negative what? Negative M. So you want to find, if you like, you can find what? The LCM. You can multiply. Okay, here you can multiply 2 by 2. If you like, you can multiply 2, or you can still find. Let me do that. I mean, irrespective, you know, you understand. You can handle it any way as you want it. Okay. Yes. So let me go straight to the point. So I'm finding out factorize. If you factorize this, you factor M inverse is common. So we factorize. Okay. So this implies that factorize M inverse out. You get 1 minus what? 1 minus M over 2. M over 2. Yes, so that if you expand, M inverse will go inside. M inverse times 1 will get M inverse, and then minus M inverse times M over 2, get M inverse M over 2. This is what you get. So this is equal to what? It's equal to negative what? Negative M. Okay. So this, what do? You can find the LCM. If you are letting mass, then this is the same as 2 times 1. minus m all over 2. Yes, LCM is what? Is 1 over 1, 2. 1 goes into 2, 2 times 1, 2. And then minus what? 2 goes into 2, 1 times m. Yeah, so quickly, let it much powerfully and quickly. So you have what? M inverse into bracket what? You get 2 minus what? Minus m all over what? All over 2. Okay? This is equal to what? Minus what? Minus m. Okay? Yeah. So this implies that we want to find what? We want to find m inverse. Yes. So this is the same as this implies that we have m inverse. This is what you have. It means that yes, it means this is what it means 2 minus what? 2 minus m all over. You know that all over 2 this is equal to minus m. You know this. Yes, you multiply 2 by 2. So multiply 2 by 2, what do you get? This 2 cancel, you have minus 2. So you have m inverse m inverse into bracket 2 minus what? Minus m is equal to what? Negative what? Negative 2. Okay? So this implies, hence, m inverse, make m inverse the subject is equal to what? Equal to negative, sorry, this is negative 2m, negative 2m all over 2 minus m. 2 minus m. So this implies that m is not equal to what? M is not equal to 2. If m is equal to 2, this one will not be defined. So we are asked to find the inverse of 1. So it means that hence the inverse of negative 1, the inverse of negative 1, which means that negative 1, negative 1 is the power. This is the inverse of negative, which is equal to what? Negative 2 into bracket times negative 1, okay? All over 2 minus into bracket minus 1, okay? Yeah, interesting, powerful. So negative 2 times negative 1 is positive. You will get 2, positive 2 all over. So 2 then becomes plus negative 1 times negative 1, 2 plus or 1, which is equal to 2 over what? 2 over 3. Hey, guys, this is the inverse of what? Negative 1. Guys, this is interesting and understandable. This is yeah, the uniqueness of this channel. Get understand it. Don't memorize. Yes, you have to get understanding. If you understand, are you getting understanding? Then forget to subscribe to the channel and go to share with your friends and colleagues and like it. So, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. But we are going to solve more questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.